Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will try to show you how to create compute instance via Azure DevOps Pipelines. In the last couple of videos, I showed you how to create uh, compute instance manually. For instance, from here, you can just click new, or via CLI commands line or Python SDK version 2. So in this case, you can just have a look in the previous videos. As I said, let me just go to this, the Azure pipelines, and you can see all of these already created via pipelines. So now let me just add a new CLI, Azure CLI, Azure, who's just type CLI, and there are also another way, just right click here and click clone, because we already need the same stuff. So change the name, create compute instance. And the manager connection will be also the same. It has to be the same in all of these Azure CLI. So this is using PowerShell in inline script, and I will just replace this with the correct script. Let me just, okay, this is right. So you can see this is the type of the compute will be compute instance. So this already explained in a CLI lesson, but this is only in a to make it in a pipeline. And the standard will be this one. The name of the workspace should be like this one here. Let me just copy this because it's identical. Because I need to create the power. Okay, I have delete this. Right. So this is the workspace. This is already defined in the variables as we already done in the last videos. Okay, no, this is wrong. This is the workspace and this is the resource group. Just remove this. So someone asked, where did you get this variables? This variable is already defined here. And you can see I have the computer name, location, resource group, storage account. Also, let's add just a compute here, compute name, and you can use the parameter compute instance. Let's call this compute CLI 01 only 101, for instance. Now we need this name. Go to the compute instance and change this name here. Right. Add $sign, paste. So now I will just save and run. So I need also to activate the agent, build agent, because it's in my PC. I'll just click here, agent, run. Right click, open the terminal here and hit run. So now it will try to listen for to any task in the pipeline. Scanning for the tools capabilities. Now the second one is connecting to the server. Now listening. Now you can see our job. It will be listed here. Yeah. See, agent job R1. So it's called agent job 1. Let me just go here. How you can see this audio started. So it's agent job 1. This one here. This name. So now because this will take, let's say, few minutes, I'll try to pause and come back to you when this is finished. Of course, when I have any issue, I will try to show you the error and how to solve the error. And see you in a few minutes. Yeah, almost done. So now hopefully we won't get any issue here. So this is now creating a compute instance. All of these creating a resource group, workspace, data storage, and everything. Already created successfully. Okay, seems it will take few minutes. In Python was so fast, as I remember. Okay, seems it's. I'll just try to pause again and show you the result. This is my build agent. Okay, finished. It took 2.5 seconds, minutes. So let's go back to the store account. How do you close this? You can also see it in this resource group in the main dashboard, but let's just go to this. Then launch Studio. Now you can go to Manage Compute and see if our compute instance is created. You can see here CLI 01 and the name was CLI 01. Let me just check normal. Oh yeah, it's defined as variable. 01. Yeah, right. So now this is the compute. Try to, I mean, if you are not use it, if it's not in used, try to remove it. Otherwise, you will pay money, you charge some money. And here you can see schedule and idle shutdown. You can just select the hours that will be, for instance, after 30 minutes. If it's on activity, let's see on active, or maybe you can just do it 20, 10, and add schedule. After 10 minutes, it will be disabled. And even in Sunday, Monday, any day. Let's see. Stop instance, add schedule. No. Or the this is for instance start or just just add this. Why it's not updated? Maybe you need at least 30 minutes or no? Oh, at least 30 minutes. And you can just click update. So now after 30 minutes, if the computer or if this instance is idle or not active, it will be shut down. But for me, I will just delete this after this video. So next video, I'll try to show how to create compute clusters. And then in the next videos, I will show you how to use this, how to use this instance to run your code and CC, for instance, using the Python SDK. We already did it, and just in the notebook, Jupyter notebook. If you like this video, please try to hit the subscribe button and like. Thanks for watching and see you again. By the way, if you have any question, just drop it out, drop it in the in the chat, in the comments. So I will have a look, of course, and see if we can solve it. And if not, I will try to solve it, of course. Thanks again.